Baking soda isn't just for baking, it has several surprising health benefits that might surprise you. One of the most popular uses of baking soda is as a natural teeth whitener. Its mild abrasive properties help to scrub away plaque and surface stains, making your teeth look brighter and healthier. Studies have also shown that toothpaste with 20% or more of baking soda is effective in improving your oral health. Another lesser-known benefit of baking soda is its role in managing bone health, especially in people with chronic kidney disease. When the kidneys are not functioning properly, the body can experience an imbalance in acid levels, negatively affecting bone strength. Baking soda helps balance the body's acid-base levels and can reduce this impact, supporting bone health in these patients. While more research is needed to understand the long-term effects fully, early studies show promise in using sodium bicarbonate to support bone health in these patients. Baking soda is also used to treat metabolic acidosis. Acidosis occurs when the body produces too much acid or when the kidneys can't remove enough acid from the body, leading to a dangerous imbalance. Metabolic acidosis can be caused by severe renal disease, uncontrolled diabetes, or when your heart stops working properly. Sodium bicarbonate helps to neutralize excess acid in the blood and correct this imbalance. This can be life-saving. If you like such information, give us a thumbs up and follow eHealthy Info.